Hey friends, how to install WordPress in XAMPP localhost. I will show you simple methods, so follow these all steps. First of all, open your favorite browser. Here you can see the Chrome browser. Just type here WordPress download, and here you can see the wordpress.org official website. Just click on it. Now click on download WordPress. So I already downloaded this file. Now minimize this Chrome window. So now you can see the WordPress file here. First of all, extract this file. Just right click on it, and here you can see the extract here option. Just click on it. After extracting this file, you can see the WordPress folder. As you can see, just type here XAMPP download, and here you can see the official website download XAMPP. Just click on it. Now here you can see three options are showing. Just click on third option, because third is the latest one, so select the download option. If your page downloading not start, just click here. As you can see, the downloading will be start. After finishing download, just click on xampp.exe file, and now minimize this window. Here you can see the XAMPP warning status showing. Just click on OK and click on next button. Now again click on next, and again click on next. If you want to change language, so you can change here. You can see the detached language and English language showing. Best is the English by default. So click on next. Now again click on next. So our installation processing is start. Be patient and wait until finishing this process. After finishing installation process, here you can see the Windows firewall block some features. Simply click allow access option, and now click on finish option. Now simple minimize this window. Now simply copy this WordPress folder. Here you can see, just select it and right click on it, and simple the select cart option, and go to your file manager option. Open C drive. Here you can see, just click on it. Now open XAMPP folder. Simply open htdocs folder. Now right click on blank space. Here you can see the paste option. Just select this paste option. Now as you can see, the WordPress folder successfully moved to htdocs folder. Now close this window and again open XAMPP window and active these modules. First of all, Apache, just click on start option, and second, as you can see the MySQL option, just click on start. Now click on admin option, second option MySQL admin, and now click on new option. So here you can see the database name. Simple type here WordPress, and now simple click on create option. Here you can see database WordPress has been created. Now minimize this window. Now simply click on plus icon and type here localhost /WordPress. So here you can see the language option. Select the English United States. Simple click on continue. Now click on let's go button, and here you can see the database name. Simple type here. So I just type WordPress, and second option the username, and so second option I type my name, and skip these three options: password, database host, and table prefix. Simply click on the submit option. So now you can see the site title option. Simply type my name here. Second option is username. So username type here root. So type here a password as your accordingly. So I type root. Now type this password again here root, and type a email address. For example, I type here my dummy email address. Now click on install WordPress button. So here you can see the WordPress installation process is success. Now click on login option. So first of all type here your username. So username type root. So I password already set root. Now click on the login option. As you can see the WordPress dashboard successfully open. So now you can install any plugins or any theme you can change from here. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please do subscribe and like this video. So yeah guys.